Oh, there we go.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Citrus County in west central Florida, Northwestern Sumter County in central Florida, Southeastern Levy County in northern Florida until 8 a.m. At 7:21 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles west of Rainbow Lakes Estates to 28 miles west of Plain Island, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hernando, Sugarmill Woods, Inverness, Inglis, Arbor Lakes, Lecanto, Homosassa Springs, Citronelle, Leisure Acres, and Inverness Highlands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. for northern, central, and west central Florida. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. for northern, central, and west central Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties in Florida, Citrus, and Sumter.
Radio KWN 38, serving a portion of North Central Florida, on a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 7:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Well, that came out of literally nowhere. As soon as I turn off my camera, SVR. Let's go. By the way, Romeo...